Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable automatic updates on Windows 10. While updates are essential for keeping your system secure and up to date, sometimes they can interrupt your work or cause compatibility issues. So let's start the video. To turn off automatic updates on Windows 10, press Windows logo key and R on your keyboard. A Run dialog box will appear. Type services.msc and hit enter. A services window will appear. Now scroll down and look for Windows Update and right click on it and then click on Properties. Now click on drop down menu next to Startup Type and select Disabled from the list. In Service Status, click on Stop button. It's stopping the Windows Update. Now click on Apply button, click OK and close the services window. So that's how to disable or turn off automatic updates on Windows 10. Thanks for watching.